Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Montevideo, Montevideo. That's what it looks. And this is like the main square. So this is the church behind me, the cathedral, and then there's a big square here. Let's take a look real quick. And so it's pretty neat church, and it's not open, or I'd go inside and show you it inside. But it's pretty neat looking. Darn it, I wish it was open. And maybe it'll open later. But then this is the big square. And it looks like it's swap meet central. Little things for sale. And there's a McDonald's over there. And interesting. So we'll go into the McDonald's in a minute. But let me look at some of these things. Hang on, I'll be right with you. Okay, during my filming, somebody said that there's a placard over here. And I don't think it's English, but it says, I think it says St. John's Church. So this is St. John's Church in Montevideo, Uruguay. And I don't know if you can read that bottom one, but Victoria obtenida en los campos da. Okay, I can't help you with that. But anyway, this is the square again. And again, there's lots of stuff for sale, and you know, and I bet give it another hour or two and this place will be pretty hopping. Jewelry and all sorts of stuff, and knitting stuff. Are you guys knitters? I know somebody that collects ducks. And bottle openers and thimbles. What is this thimble? I don't know. Huh. And coins. Any American coins, and dollars, and plates, and all sorts of things. Shears, keys, traps. Wow. Lots of unique stuff, huh? And knockers. Huh. Cool. And it smells like pot here, but where I caught a whiff. Anyway, this is the center of the square. What a great fountain. Anyway, that's it for me. I just thought I'd show you the church since it's not open, and the park, and the stuff for sale, and very cool. Okay everybody, thanks a lot. Bye bye.